Hello, you fabulous lot. So I thought if you have got Excel at home, I would give you a little bit of a helping hand on how to start it off, because I know that some people do have access to their grown-ups laptops at home and they might have Excel on, so it might work for you. So we've got our cells here, our empty boxes where we can input the data. It doesn't matter what cell you start off with, because we're just creating a line graph. We're not sort of keeping documents of lots of different things. So for example, I'm going to start in this one and I'm going to write date 1, go to the one underneath, date 2, date 3. I'll just do those ones for now. And then above that date 1, I'm going to go across 1, can you see here? And I'm going to write rainfall, because that's what I'm measuring. I'm going to make up some data. You're obviously going to collect the correct data, and that is what my graph will consist of. To create a graph, all you need to do is you need to hold down the left hand, it depends if you're using a mouse or a laptop actually, you need to hold it down and drag it across till it's all highlighted, and then at the top here you've got insert. I want you to click, if you hover your mouse over it, it actually tells you what graphs they are. It's really clever. And I want you to hover your mouse over this one. Don't click it. It says insert line or area graph, and we are doing a line graph. So I want you to click it, and then it's this one here. Don't worry about that. The picture's got 2 lines on. And as you can see here, we've got rainfall as our title. We've got our numbers up the side because that's what we're measuring. We have got date 1, date 2, date 3 across the bottom. Those are our dates. And we have got our line. If you wanted to change the date, for example, if you did date 7, it would automatically update. With this one, you're going to have a little bit of a play around, unfortunately, to figure out how to change some things. I can change the title by double clicking on it. To add in the titles of the axes, go on add chart element. You've got your axes, you don't need to do this one, but your axes titles, it would come up at the bottom. Axes titles again, there you go. Have a little bit of a play about. I know that it's difficult sometimes, but it's a fantastic bit of software to use. And like I said before, if you do have some grown-ups who can help you, that would be fantastic. But I'm always here if you need a hand. So then you can just have a play about with changing your titles and stuff, ready to collect your data. When you do want to save it, make sure you save it to a file where you'll remember it and call it a name that you will remember what the file is.